Hey guys,
Hello.
Christina and Everett Stainbrook here today. We are going to show you the January scent and warmer of the month because Kip and I have been trying to make this video for weeks. It's just not happening, so we're going to do it. So January scent and warmer of the month is 10% off in January. We have a scent of the month every single month. For consultants, we are able to get the scent of the month and warmer of the month early as either the scent of the month kit or the warmer of the month kit. The scent of the month kit comes with 9 bars of Scentsy wax, a stack of your monthly specials flyers, a room spray, 72 rub and sniff stickers, and a tester for you to take to parties. And then the warmer of the month kit is all of the same with the warmer. You ready to smell the smell?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to describe it to you first. It says, fresh strawberries, creamy vanilla, and a splash of champagne. So fresh strawberries, creamy vanilla, and a splash of champagne. You have to tell me what you think. Ready? Set? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
It smells like strawberries.
Kind of
Really
smells like strawberry ice cream to me.
Yeah. Well, it kind of smells like cotton candy and strawberries.
Cotton candy and strawberries. So if you've ever smelled any of our strawberry scents ever, this is the best strawberry scent we've had. It's way better than Coastal Strawberry. It's way better than any of the other strawberries we've ever had. It is the most strawberry smelling one. It's a very Valentine's Day smell. It's very cute. Very sweet and cute. I really, really like it.
Wait, this is strawberry champagne truffle.
Yeah, that's what all of them are.
It's what was inside of the...
Yeah. So it's strawberries. So, yeah, it smells a lot like... Yeah, it's like strawberries and cream. Definitely like an ice cream strawberry. Yeah, but it's better than Coastal Strawberry. It's better than Strawberry Swirl. It's the best strawberry we have ever done.
Also,
It's very, very good.
The strawberry champagne truffle from the December Whiff box.
It is. Smell the bottom of it. You can get some of the sparkly. It smells a little sparkly.
Yeah, but I don't smell the champagne.
That's the fizzy smell. You know how it kind of smells more like soda on the bottom?
Actually, yeah.
Mhm.
Except...
I don't know how they do it, but there's a fizzy smell. It's the smell of like when you drink fizzy stuff. It's so good.
Have you made, like finished, putting the December Whiff box, in YouTube? On YouTube?
I uploaded it to YouTube. It's the video right before this one.
Yes, like 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, he did the December Whiff box video all by himself, so you guys will have to check that out. That was another one Kip and I kept meaning to do, and we just hadn't yet. So
What about putting it in the, I'll make a link below with, in it.
he wants me to put the link in the caption. Click like and subscribe. YouTube generation. Okay, so let's look at the warmer. This warmer is pretty amazing. I don't know if I have any. This is going to be a really awkward shot of my bottom. And I apologize, everybody.
Don't look.
Don't look. Guard your mama. Okay, yes, we have an extension cord back here. Very excited. Good. So we have an extension cord, so I actually get to light this baby up for you guys because it is stunning.
But how old is it? Is it a baby?
Whatever.
Wait, why am I still holding this?
Put it in the box. Okay, so this one is called Illuminate, and again, it's the January warmer of the month. It is $45 in January. I have seen everyone else getting theirs, and I have not opened mine yet, so I'm a little jealous. So here's the dish for it. I don't know if I'll put the dish on or not because I'm not really warming wax in this right now. And this is a 4-cube dish. I almost dropped it and broke it.
I'm gonna break it.
Don't break it. Give it to me.
Can I turn off the lights for you to be able to see it better?
Do you think that we should turn off the lights so we can see it better?
Yes.
Okay. Let's wait till we actually get it all put together first, and then you can do whatever to make it special effects.
I'm gonna get ready, so I'm gonna turn off.
You're gonna get it ready.
Well, just a little bit. I'm not gonna turn off the 2 other lights yet. Wait, no, that I.
Ooh. This makes me happy. If anyone has ever gotten any of our glass warmers before,
I can't turn off.
They are, I'll just unplug this from here. If you've ever gotten our glass warmers before, they're usually separate from the base. So you have one box for base and one box for the glass light part. This one is all connected. This makes me so happy. It is so much easier. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Wait on that one real quick. Okay, you can turn that one off. And then, but leave that back one on for just a second.
Wait, which back one?
Well, the back one.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can turn both of those off over there. He wants you guys to really get the full effect here.
Yes.
The full effect. Okay, so please go ahead and initially admire how beautifully sparkly this is. It is rhinestone studded sparkle city right now.
It's beautiful, so I guess it's probably going to be 100 times beautiful.
Oh, it's so cool. We have never had a sparkly bling
Don't drop it.
warmer before, and this thing is seriously stunning. I'm just saying there's been a lot of hype about this warmer, so if you want it, please log on January 1st and get it as soon as you can before it goes on back order.
Mom?
Oh, it's beautiful. Are you ready?
Where's the light bulb?
Right here.
Okay.
He wants you to get the full effect of me turning this on.
You already said that.
I'm just reminding them.
Okay. But that was like 1 minute ago.
Hold on, let me plug it in. That was like 1 minute ago. You think I'm repeating myself too much?
Yeah.
Okay. You can go ahead and turn off the lights. Okay, can you guys see this? Do you want to do the honors? You turn the switch. It's anticlimactic. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that.
Ta-da.
Dun, dun, dun. I just want you to get all up in there. Let's see if we can tap on that. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Is that not the prettiest warmer you have ever seen? I'm completely obsessed. Do you like this one? Is it neat?
Give this video 1,000 likes, and then we're just gonna play music with this somewhere. Yeah. Mom, I'm pretty sure I want if they what the
Spit it out.
If we get 1,000 likes, can we do like a video for just for 1 minute and just playing music theory while looking at it in the dark?
Okay.
With what smell we put it in it.
Okay. If this video gets 1,000 likes, Everett says we're gonna do a 1 minute long video of a warmer Scentsy dance party.
Except it's not gonna be a dance party. It's just gonna be
He
this
just wants
warmer.
us to play 1 minute of this video of this warmer all lit up with wax in it with music.
And put what smells in it.
And then we'll tell you what smells in it. Okay.
Well, I'll just put the bar right next to it, but we're not going to be in it. We're just going to
We're not going to be in it.
We're going to sneak in it and just turn.
Thrilling.
Turn off the video.
Okay. Out of 10, what do you grade this warmer?
A 10.
A 10 out of 10, and the scent?
A 10.
A 10 out of 10. You heard it here. 10 out of 10, warmer and scent. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye.